Ensuring document compliance with audit trails is crucial for keeping your business secure and accountable. Whether you're managing sensitive financial records or legal documents, audit trails can be the difference between compliance and potential legal issues. In this video, we'll walk through how to make sure your documents are compliant and why audit trails are essential for safeguarding your business. To start, let's discuss what an audit trail actually is. An audit trail is a detailed chronological record of all actions taken on a document, from creation to final approval. This includes edits, changes, who made them, and when. It's basically the documentation of every step in the document's life cycle. Without an audit trail, there's no clear record of who is responsible for what, which can be a huge risk. Now, how do you ensure compliance with audit trails? First, you need to ensure that your software is tracking every single action taken on your documents. Every time someone opens, edits, or approves a document, your software should automatically record the date, time, and user. This provides full visibility into the document's journey. Second, make sure your software supports version control. This is important because you want to track not just who made changes, but also when and why those changes were made. Version control helps maintain a history of edits, which can be crucial for showing compliance in case of audits. Third, make sure your audit trail is easily accessible and readable. If you ever need to retrieve an audit trail for a specific document, you don't want to waste time digging through complex data. The software you use should offer clear, straightforward access to audit logs that you can filter by document, user, or time period. Fourth, encryption and access control. You want to make sure that only authorized individuals can access or edit your documents. If your software doesn't provide strong encryption and access control features, it's time to reconsider your choice. Protecting your audit trail itself is just as important as ensuring it's complete. Next, ensure your audit trail is automatically updated. Some systems require manual inputs, which can lead to human error. The best solutions will automatically record changes in real time, giving you an up-to-date record at all times. This reduces the risk of errors and helps ensure your documents are always compliant. Finally, let's talk about how you can track compliance. Regularly review your audit trail and look for any signs of suspicious activity or inconsistencies. Having a dedicated compliance officer or team to monitor these audit trails is key to maintaining high standards and ensuring that all of your documents are in line with the necessary regulations. I've tested several software solutions, and the one I recommend most for ensuring document compliance with audit trails is the software we're using today. If you want to follow along with the tutorial, check out the exclusive free trial in the description below, available only for viewers of this channel. Key takeaway: ensuring document compliance with audit trails means tracking every action, securing access, and ensuring your software makes compliance easy. Use version control, secure your data, and regularly review the trail to stay compliant. And don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description to make your process smoother. Thanks for watching. Make sure to implement these tips to secure your documents and stay compliant.